Who's a little dehydrated kitten found on the street? Yes, you are. Aw, look who's eating solid food. I'm pretty sure he's blind as a bat because he keeps missing the bowl. But hey, I don't have to bottle feed him. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna name him Kimchi because he's red like kimchi and it's cute and Korean. And look, he's got a little mini shopping cart that he's chilling in case he poops. So I took him to the vet and it seems like he's actually blind. That's pretty sad. But we've had some good milestones. I've seen him clean himself. He can stand up, he can explore, and he's pushing his face into stuff. What's up with that? What are you up to? What's how he meows? Do it again. I guess not. Oh, I wish you could hear this purring. So cute. Oh, good thing I'm not allergic to cats anymore as much.